Imagine a world where Google doesn't give you 10 blue links, but directly answers your question, writes you an essay, books your flight, and negotiates the price. That world is already here. And it is absolutely insane. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, smash that subscribe button right now. AI search is undergoing the biggest transformation since Larry and Sergey started indexing the web back in 1998. In 2026, the search landscape has been completely redefined. We've moved beyond keywords into a world where AI understands your intent, generates personalized answers, and even takes actions on your behalf. According to the Stanford AI Index report, generative AI tools reached $172 billion in annual consumer value by early 2026, and search is the absolute epicenter of this revolution. Today we're breaking down 5 insane ways AI search engines are changing everything. The traditional search results page is dying. For decades, Google gave us 10 blue links ranked by PageRank. You clicked, you read, you clicked back, it was a scavenger hunt for information. In 2026, that model is completely obsolete. AI-powered search engines like Google's AI Overviews, Perplexity, and ChatGPT Search generate comprehensive answers directly on the results page. Ask a complex question like, what are the side effects of combining these two medications? And instead of reading through 20 different websites, you get a synthesized, cited answer in seconds. Google reports that AI overviews have increased user satisfaction by over 30%, and users are performing more searches than ever before. The blue link isn't dead, but it's no longer king. The real power now lies in the AI's ability to synthesize and summarize exactly what you need. For content creators, this is huge. If your content isn't structured for AI consumption, you're practically invisible. Here's where things get really interesting. For the first time in over 20 years, Google has real competition. Perplexity AI has become a household name, processing over 500 million queries per month. Their model combines real-time web search with large language model reasoning, giving you answers that are both current and contextual. Then there's ChatGPT Search, OpenAI's answer to search. With over 400 million weekly active users, their search feature has become the fastest-growing product in the company's history. Even startups like U.com and Andy are gaining millions of users by offering ad-free AI-first search experiences. Market analysts report that AI-native search platforms now command over 18% of the search market, up from essentially zero just 2 years ago. That is a seismic shift, and it's only accelerating. If you're finding this valuable, hit that subscribe button. We're just getting started. But don't count Google out just yet. The search giant has been investing in AI for over a decade, and in 2026, they're fighting back hard. Their Gemini model powers AI overviews and a completely new experience called Google Search Generative Experience, or SGE. Here's what makes SGE different. It doesn't just answer your question, it understands your task. Search plan a 3-day trip to Tokyo with a budget of $2,000 and SGE creates a full itinerary, suggests hotels, checks real-time flight prices, and even generates a packing list customized to the weather. It's not a search engine anymore, it's a personal assistant. Google's AI can also distinguish between fact-seeking queries and exploration queries, each getting a completely different experience. This level of personalization is powered by Gemini 2.0 Ultra, and it's fundamentally changing how billions of people find and interact with information online. For students, researchers, and lifelong learners, AI search has been an absolute game-changer. Tools like Elicit, Consensus, and Cite have transformed academic research. Instead of spending hours digging through PDFs, researchers can now ask natural language questions and get synthesized answers backed by peer-reviewed papers with citation counts and study quality indicators. In 2026, over 60% of academic researchers report using AI search tools regularly. But there's a darker side too. Universities are scrambling to update their academic integrity policies as students use AI search to generate entire essays. The line between research assistance and plagiarism has never been blurrier, and institutions are still figuring out how to handle it. Let's talk about the elephant in the room. AI search is incredible, but it's far from perfect. The biggest challenge remains hallucinations, AI models confidently generating false information. A 2026 study from Stanford found that even the best AI search engines produce incorrect answers between 8 and 15% of the time on complex queries. That's terrifying when people use these tools for medical advice or financial decisions. Privacy is another major concern. Every query you type is processed by massive language models on cloud servers, and your search history can become training data. Companies are improving transparency, but the tension between personalization and privacy remains unresolved. Finally, there's algorithmic bias. AI search results can perpetuate racial and gender stereotypes because the models reflect biases in their training data. The industry is still figuring out how to audit and correct these biases at scale. So where does this leave us? AI search in 2026 is simultaneously the most exciting and most concerning tech transformation happening right now. The power to access synthesized, personalized information instantly is incredible. But it comes with real responsibilities for the companies building these tools and for us as users. My advice: embrace AI search, but stay skeptical. Verify important facts. Don't let convenience make you complacent. Because this technology is evolving faster than ever, and the next 12 months will bring even more mind-blowing changes. If you enjoyed this deep dive, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell so you don't miss our next video on the future of AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.